Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the ÁLMOK tutorials.
No. Wait.
What do you like doing in your free time? Chill out. Repeat after me. Running, swimming, watching films, talking to friends, going to the mall, eating sushi, drinking soda, playing Roblox, playing the guitar, reading comics, drawing, painting, doing exercise, using the computer, taking photos. Now check this out. I like eating sushi. My brother likes eating sushi. My sister likes eating sushi.
¿Así de fácil? ¡Sí!
I dislike eating salad. Kate dislikes eating salad. She dislikes eating salad.
¡Ay, qué pasa!
I love playing Minecraft. My brother loves playing Minecraft. My sister loves playing Minecraft.
Bueno, esto es un poco más fácil.
I hate playing Roblox. He hates playing Roblox. She hates playing Roblox.
Facilísimo, ¿verdad?
It's busy, right? So give me a hand with this. But before that, remember to click on the thumbs up, subscribe, and the bell.
Okay, Polilla.
Choose the correct option. That's correct. I like eating apple pie.
Bien hecho.
Choose the correct option. Excellent. My father loves playing soccer.
Ese joven me llena de esperanza.
Choose the correct option. That's correct. My mother hates drinking coffee.
Bien hecho, cuate.
Choose the correct option. Perfect. I dislike reading comics.
Uy, no lo puedo creer.
Choose the correct option. Fabulous. My sister dislikes watching Netflix.
Vaya, ¿quién lo diría? Eso fue muy fácil.
Choose the correct option. Fantastic. My brother hates going to the church.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now here comes the ÁLMOK challenge.
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
What do you like doing in your free time? What do you dislike doing in your free time? What does your brother love doing in his free time? What does your sister hate doing in her free time? Pause the video and write your answers in the comments below. And if you want to keep practicing your composition skills, then come and join us for a free class this Saturday at. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around, Pop.